Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to update software on your Titan 2.0. Okay, to do that, firstly, you should open this pretty website on your computer. So, Ellipal.com. Okay, here in Ellipal, you should open Support tab, then Firmware Update, and find here Ellipal Titan 2.0. Here you will you will see which version is the newest now, and you can check which version do you have on your Titan. So just click on your Titan settings button or left top corner of the screen, then click Update. Sorry, not the update, but click About, and here you will check your Titan version. Okay, go back, and as you can see, there is a newer version update available on the website. So just scroll down, click Download Titan Firmware, and cool, here we go. Now we should prepare our CD card to update the firmware. So in my case, I have just normal 16 gigabytes CD card. Insert it in your card reader. I have this Kingston card reader. You can have different one, and connect it to your computer. Okay, I've connected. Open your Explorer and find your CD card here. As you can see, I have now my CD card, and I don't know why. Maybe because of... Yeah, now it's okay. I've just reconnected my card reader. Here I have this Ellipal firmware, but I will show you this process from the very beginning. So firstly, we should format our CD card. To do that, just click Format button. So just click right button on your CD card, then click Format. Click here, find FAT32. It's very important. Click Start. Okay, cool. That I'll try again. Okay. Wait a while until okay, and click Close. Cool. And now this CD card is formatted to FAT32. Now we should, from the downloads, just copy our Ellipal Titan Plus software and just paste it here in our USB drive. Cool. And what the next? Next, we just should take off from the card reader our CD card and insert it to the Titan dock station. So just insert it. Cool. Now just connect your Titan to your dock station and connect your dock station to the power supply. Here we have USB-C. Okay, your dock station will be connected. You will see the blue light here. Then click on the settings button on the left top corner of the screen and click Update. Wait a while, and as you can see, update file detected. It's very important. You will not see this screen if you are not logged into account and if you're not connected to the mobile app. So click Start Update. Wait a while. As you can see, this is the very fast process. After copying files, we should wait for about 5 minutes for updating. Okay, after the update, your Titan will be restarted and you will see this message: update successfully. Okay, that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.